Super clear skies, amazing weather outside. Why do I give this weather reports? I don't understand, but I feel it adds some context before beginning the vlog. Anyways, what's up guys? Kaise ho? Eleanor, hope everyone is doing great. From my voice, I'm pretty sure you can make out that it's pretty early in the morning. Time is around 6:30 am. Woke up at around 5:30 am. From that time, stomach is a little bit upset. I'm sitting in the washroom. Reason for that is last night I had my cheat meal for the first time after 6 months. This is the reason. Once in a while, you have to have a little bit of cheat meal so that your body doesn't forget how pizza tastes, how to process all that junk food. Right now, at this point of time, after 6 months, my body forgot how to process all that kind of junk food. And last night, when I had a small pizza, it started acting in a weird way. I don't want to start your day with a bad imagination, but it was like a proper washing machine inside the washroom. And I was going for a quick breakfast, and as you guys know, most importantly, we have the new GS1250. We have to click some nice pictures of it, and we have a new place around Hyderabad we discovered. Most of you guys living around Hyderabad might already know this place. Once again, back to my diet and all that, so I'll be packing my tiffin box and I'll see you guys on the bike. Yes, as you can see, that is the panniers and pram there. We had to use all this because Naisha is climbing the stairs, which we don't want. You'll understand when you have a kid. You have to do all this kind of stuff. That's like 80 grams of oats. I have to take only 40 grams, but Shiva said he also wants to try some oats. He never tried it. I'm pretty sure he'll not like it. But let's see if he likes it. Maybe from next time he'll start eating oats. Which is very easy on the road, yeah. You don't need to worry too much about what to cook and all that. Very easy. Just put some oats. Yeah, put some protein powder, that little bit of peanut butter. There is some hot water, and anywhere on the road, you need not worry about what to eat. Edwin, intlo start aituna shoes eskuntunna. So basically it's me, Edwin, Shiva and Charan. Charan, I think, is not getting his bike. He's coming in his next one, electric. I hope it doesn't stop anywhere. I'm sorry to joke about it, but you know, pretty new technology, so I'm a little bit worried about it. But this place we are going to is around 50 kilometers from here, so it shouldn't be much of a problem. It's a place called Konda Pochamma Reservoir. And look at my bike. It's in such a horrible mess. Please excuse me for this. I rode it like a couple of days back, almost 12 or 13 days back, when there was like heavy rains and a lot of slush and tapsai with a clean neck. Yeah, I'll be doing that today because in next couple of days, maybe 4 or 5 days, we're gonna go on a proper long ride. I'll talk about that more later. Chalo, see you on the bike. Alright, please excuse me for all this. It is in a very horrible condition. It looks like a proper adventure tourer right now. But that's a very nice excuse I'm giving. It shouldn't look like that, at least when it's not going out. Nowadays I'm not using my regular mount. I'm using this wireless charger since my last trip, at least, because you know, when you have a wireless phone like an iPhone, this is much better, and the hold is also very strong. Just throw in your phone like that and you can tighten it as much as you want. It will just stay in place like that. Time is 7 o'clock. My friends have already reached. Let me quickly get out. I have to switch this on from here. There's a small switch behind and we'll have charging. See that? Right now it's charging, wireless charging. Amazing. I don't need to worry about any wires hanging around. Is it charging? Oh, perfect. Charging is gonna be a little bit slow on this wireless charger. But then if your phone is around, like right now it's around 67%, it is gonna stay like that even if you're using the maps and all that. It charges maybe, you know, per hour maybe 20%. Why does my bike smell like something is dead? Seriously? I hope there's no kittens or you know, last time I showed you, right? Why is it smelling so bad, yaar? Like some acidic smell. I'm the one who gave my friends a warning. If you have to go to this new place that we are going to, let's start early and let's get back home early before it gets really hot or before it starts raining. Right now, look at the weather here. Amazing. Perfect time to ride. Very clear skies. See how beautiful blue skies we have. I hope it stays like this. And this place I'm going to, it's a very beautiful place. Let's talk about this place after I cross all our stupid gullies here. And this is tricky. You know, sitting on the bike like this and closing the gate. I could do this only on the Karizma because it is a light bike, and this is obviously a little bit heavy bike, so I have to be careful, because एक बार थोड़ा ऐसा हो गया ना, definitely you can't stop it. It will definitely fall down. Arey yaar, horn. I'm always forgetting about this. This one thing I have to definitely fix once I come back home. Not today, but tomorrow definitely I'll take it to the showroom and get it fixed, because like I told you, 4 or 5 days, yeah, 1 week approximately, I'm going to start a very long ride, and we're going to take all the proper precautions and all that, so don't worry about that. Samne dekh, you want to go from Samne, you're going to see some nice off-road. While coming back, we'll try to come from there. We're going to a very isolated place. Most of you guys might guess it. Have to be careful here. There's a one way, but people keep coming still. Horn bhi nahi hai. Okay, let me quickly describe you the place I'm going to. This is a place called Konda Pochamma Reservoir. Okay, so this is like a small beach atmosphere you get. 1 second here. And that is the closest you can get to a beach in Hyderabad. I mean, that's not a beach, but it gives you a feeling. Arey horn, uncle. Arey yaar. I know, my mistake. I want to overtake. If you have a horn, no problem, but then uncle is not able to judge. He's not looking at his rear view mirror. And so what I was saying, yeah, Konda Pochamma Reservoir. Now if you type this on Instagram, you can see a ton of pictures about this. People have started going to this place like left, right and center. And my friend Edwin, though, he's going there almost every day. See you at the meeting point somewhere near Lotkunta, downtown, you know. Okay, this is for the first time we'll not be going on the NH array. Why don't I remember NH numbers here? Anyway, we're not going to go on that typical Nagpur highway. We're going to go from the other highway, which is Shamirpet highway. Just need to take a right from here, and I will be seeing either Edwin or either Shiva on his new BMW 1250 GS or maybe Charan. I think Charan and Shiva are coming together. Arey ruk re. Unfortunately, I asked Edwin to tell me a meeting point. You know what meeting point he gave me? Some wine shop. Seriously, Edwin? Oh yes, it's a pretty famous wine shop here, it seems. But still, yaar. Edwin? Shiva. Aha. Oh. Arey. అప్పుడే ఏంద్ర మార్చిపోయింది. నా చూసినావు ఎట్లుందో, పొట్ట లోపలికి వెళ్ళిపోయింది బండి రాగానే. ఇక్కడ పట్టట్లేదనా? నా పొట్టేంది. అరే ఇప్పుడు సెట్, ఇట్స్ ఆల్ ఫైన్. పిజ్జా పూరా నికల్ గయా బార్. నౌ ఇట్స్ ఫైన్. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ Charan? You're coming in the next one. You should come in the bike. And yeah, me and Charan are gonna do a huge ride soon. టైం కున్నావు. ఈ లొకేషన్ ఏంట్రా మీటింగ్ పాయింట్ చెప్పరా అంటే వైన్ షాప్ చెప్తావు. Okay, I'm pretty sure you guys are seeing this highway for the first time. For now it is a state highway, but after I think 5 or 6 kilometers we have a proper national highway, 4-lane proper national highway. It's not a national highway, but it's a 4-lane highway. And I used to come a lot here. I have a small history I can tell you. You remember I told you about the construction that I used to do? Army construction and all that. I've done a small project here, but anyways, you know the story. I was not so interested into all that, so right now this is what I'm doing. Okay, the place we're going to is called Konda Pochamma Reservoir. I told you this name like 670 times by now. So this place is not really far. It's approximately 50-55 kilometers from my house, and this is going via Shamirpet. Shouldn't be taking us a long time, hardly 1 hour maybe. Not even 1 hour, yeah, 40 minutes max. When I used to do these constructions and all, I used to come like every single day on this road in my accent or sometimes the charisma. Oh man, looks so beautiful. Two really good things about this Bobo wireless charger is that first thing is the hold is really strong. So it's like a claw grip. It's not going to leave your phone at all, because you shouldn't be tightening it too much because it might break your phone. So you can just throw your phone on there and you don't have to worry about plugging in any USB cable or anything like that. I'll be putting down a link in the description for this in case you're interested to buy it. And it swivels all around, so no issues with that. Oh yes, but remember, you can only use a wireless phone. I mean, phone should have wireless charging capability. Only then you can use this. Otherwise you can just use it as a phone mount. without charging. But you can go to their website and check other products as well. You have a lot of other phone mounts without the wireless charging as well. Yes. Oh yes, from here we have the 4-lane highway. Arey wow, Shiva, first time I'm seeing you standing on your bike. No, you used to stand even on your T120. I remember. Which is not meant to do that. But Shiva used to ride it like a off-roading machine. So I don't think you'll be finding so much of difference between your old bike and this one. Actually, this highway is exactly parallel to Nagpur highway. Another 5.7 kilometers, 7 minutes, 300 meters mein right. This right. I don't know if there is another route as well. Let's ask Edwin. Edwin is the most experienced about this place. He's going confidently, that means this is the right. Lot of greenery in this area because of lockdown. We are like looking at few trees and feeling so happy. Wow. I'm surprised they have itna acha road here. Oh yes, I see the blue part in the map. Oh, that is the reservoir. Yeah, this is the canal, that is the reservoir. చూసి తగులుతారు అరే కొంచెం రైట్ సైడ్ చూసుకో. Okay, this is the entry. I'm not, or they closed it here. How do we go? There's some construction going on, I heard. So Edwin was telling me there's another route to that place. అదే అటు నుంచి ఉందంట ఇంకో రూట్. Okay, so basically this is the main entrance, but unfortunately it's closed because of some construction. So Edwin has another route. There is some alternate route, it seems. And charging, yeah, see, charging is pretty good here. It was 67% at home and I didn't put it like properly. Just now I put it while coming and it is 76%, 10% in what, 15-20 minutes. Good. Definitely recommended wireless charger by Bobo. Okay, this is the alternate route. Oh yeah, this looks so amazing. Oh, nice road. Made for adventure tourists. Basically I worked out my legs yesterday and day before yesterday. They're paining. I'm not able to saddle. ఇదేంటి చెయ్యూపుతుండు. ఓ రోడ్ ఉంది ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ ద సెకండ్ ఎంట్రన్స్. Oh, this looks like some international place. Whoa. If you want to go down, you can. Not much of a height. We can go there down and sit. So sun is gonna set that side. So if you come in the evening, you'll have an amazing view. Now it's gonna be very hot. Okay, we are planning to go that side, opposite. Shiva's first experience of his GS 1250, the granddad of adventure touring. Feel it, Shiva, come on, feel it.
It's an excellent bike. It's a very good bike.
He has no words basically.
Yeah.
No, he's going on telling me,
Let me tell you what I really liked in this bike, which I didn't have it in T120.
Which you don't have it in any of the bikes.
Yeah.
Handling.
First is the balance and handling.
Number one.
Number one. I
You
mean,
can make a U-turn with one hand.
Nothing can beat that. I've never felt any other bike so comfortable in handling it. Second one is the quick shifters. It works like magic.
butter. You can just shift it without hitting the clutch. Quick
And
shift
I
service.
never knew in the last 40,000 kilometers what is engine braking.
Indian braking.
Yeah, T120 doesn't have engine braking.
Indian braking. I thought Indian braking. What is Indian braking? Oh, usually classics don't have engine braking. And suddenly here that crane scene, man, this guy was trying to sneak through that small gap.
And
I
then
told
I
him
realized
boxer
that-
engine. Eh? One disadvantage you have, Chiva.
So-
With your,
My old bike used to go. Funny bike is amazing.
obviously, it's amazing. You paid, no?
I paid, no? I'm continuing to pay.
For some years. So yes, the most experienced person about this place is Edwin. Every day he's coming here.
Not every day.
Almost.
Weekends. It starts from Friday.
Weekend starts from Friday till Monday.
Can you explain a little bit about the place? Do you know anything of the place? No.
Not really.
Not really. Just come, enjoy the place, get out. That's it.
I
But
know
you have to come
I
in
know
the
one
evening.
thing about the place. There is
If you
lot of
come in the
water.
evening.
There is lot of water.
అట్లా చెప్పాలైతే అసలు
There's
భయ్యా
a lot of water.
గడ్డి వాటర్ ఇంత ఓపెన్ లొకేషన్ ఈ కరోనా
కింద పడుతుంది చూసి.
అంటే కేసీఆర్ కాకకి
Danname dannama.
ఏ కేసీఆర్
One thing, you go type Kunda Pochama Reservoir on Instagram. You will find like nowadays since the last 2 months, 1 or 2 months, there are like hundreds of people coming here. But one issue is, I mean, right now it is new, so people don't know it much. Pretty clean, but I'm pretty sure someday when people start coming here a lot, especially people like us, when we talk about this place, I'm sure people want to come here. One suggestion is don't ruin the place by throwing plastic bottles, wrappers, and all that. Already it started a little bit. I can see
టూ మచ్
water bottles and all that. Don't do this here. It's so clean. Look at it. Let's maintain this. But yeah, very beautiful place. One thing in mind you have to keep if you come here. Come in the evening. Just come click some pictures. Don't ruin the place. What did everyone get?
Cheese.
Sharon got some nice cheese sandwiches. Shiva, you can't do this. I got oats for you.
అది కూడా తింటారా ఆకలి అవుతుంది.
What are you eating?
అబౌట్ కార్న్ఫ్లేక్స్ బట్ దేర్ ఇస్ నో మిల్క్
అరే నీళ్ళు ఉన్నాయి కలుపుకో.
Lot of water you have if you want
ఏం
this.
చేస్తున్నావు?
3, 2, 1. The famous tiffin box. I got it for Shiva as well. He wanted to try it. If he likes, he'll also start this diet, it seems. Okay, right now Shiva is having cheese sandwich, but it's your time to try the famous
No, it doesn't.
tiffin box. I don't want that. Best of luck. Give me genuine reaction. I know you'll not like it. If it's not nice, tell me it is not nice.
స్వీట్ ఉంటే తినేస్తారు రా.
స్వీట్ ఉంటుందా?
It is sweet.
ఇది ఎంత తింటున్నట్టే ఉంది
ఇది కూడా తింటుండే అయితే.
Shiva needs proper sambar rice.
బిష్బిల్లా.
ఏమైంది శివా ఏమైనా తేడా ఉందా
Sound వస్తలేదండి Shiva.
ఎట్లా తింటున్నారు అది నేమ్?
No, actually, if you put proper hot water, it becomes soft.
యాక్చువల్లీ బాగానే ఉంది.
Taste is
పీనట్
fine.
బటర్ ఇస్ సూపర్. అదొక్కటే వెళ్తుంది నోట్లోకి.
Peanut butter and
మిగతా
whey
ఓట్స్ అన్ని ఇక్కడ
protein.
నా నోట్లో ఆటోమేటిక్ ఫిల్టర్ ఉంది ఒకటి.
Oats
పీనట్ బటర్ అన్ని ఇటు, ఓట్స్ అన్ని ఇటు వెళ్తున్నాయి.
వే ప్రోటీన్ బయటకు వస్తుంది నీకు కదా, అట్లాంటి సెట్ కావు నీకు.
అది కూడా ఉంది ఇందులో.
మరి నీకు ఆ టేస్ట్ అంతా వే ప్రోటీన్ ది. ఇట్స్ కుకీస్ అండ్ క్రీమ్. ఓకే, హీ లైక్డ్ ఇట్. 5 out of 10.
ఇంతకన్నా గది చాలా తిన్నారా? 7.
7 and above. Okay.
సరేమ్మా
Done with our breakfast. Thanks to Charan. He got some nice black coffee. Sugar hai isme?
ఏం లేదు.
Oh, good.
హనీ కూడా లేదా
పీనట్ బటర్ వేస్తే సరిపో లేదా వేసుకో, సీరియల్స్ వేసుకో, మస్తు ఉంటుంది.
హనీ హేజల్నట్ లాంటివి ఏం లేవు
ఏం లేదు.
శివ ఇంకోసారి మాతో రాడు. సరి తిండి లేదు, సరి కాఫీ లేదు, షుగర్ లేదు.
నువ్వు మెలుకుంటావు, ఆకలేదు. ఇప్పుడు ఒక 2 గంటల దాకా ఆ శాండ్విచ్ ఈ కాఫీతో.
నేను మామూలుగానే పడుకోనరా.
నీకు ఆల్రెడీ ఎట్లయినా కిందకి వెళ్తుంది
Okay, my friends are not happy staying here. They wanted to do some adventures and stunts.
అది ఎట్లయినా వంగుతుంది శిల్పై
They are doing this.
నేను రెడీగా ఉన్నా దాని మీద
Shiva, don't worry. Even if you fall, you have full armor. Don't worry. You are a Spider-Man. You remember?
అయిపోయింది ఇంకేం
So see that is dangerous. Jagrata, Shiva. See, Charan, that is the reason you need to get fit.
ఫిట్ విత్ మై లెగ్ ఐ కాంట్ టేక్ ద రిస్క్. కోతి లాగా ఉన్నావు
Udra.
పెద్ద ఏదో జేసన్ బోన్ లాగా ఫిట్ గిట్ అని మాట్లాడుతూ.
Oh, Jason, one episode. You want to see? Simple. Actually, it's a good view. From there, it doesn't look so deep, but it's actually deep. Okay, that is the closest we can get to the water. Oh, nice view, man. Closest destination we have from our house. 45 kilometers from our house, Shivako. It is like 60 kilometers. Don't take this and go inside the water.